Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to actually change the receiver name on Western Union, so you don't have to worry if you mistype the receiver's name. I'm going to show you how to do this a step by step. Okay, how do you change the receiver name? So first things first, I'm going to basically tell you that Western Union actually allows receiver name corrections, but only for specific cases. So I'm going to walk you through how to request this change and what you actually need to keep in mind. So first things first, you need to actually confirm eligibility, okay, for name changes, because Western Union only allows changes if the transaction has not been picked up yet. And also you can only correct a minor errors like typos, okay? If the correction is substantial, like for example, switching the receiver entirely, so if you're basically changing the whole entire person, you may just need to cancel the transfer and start afresh, okay? And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to prepare the necessary details. So before contacting Western Union, you want to make sure you have these things ready. You want to have your MTCN ready, which is basically your transaction tracking number, and the exact correction you want to make, and a valid ID if you're visiting an agent. Then, guys, what you want to do is you want to choose the correction method. Now, there are basically two ways to request a correction. One is online or through the Western Union app. So, what you want to do is you want to log into your account, go to the transfer, and look for the edit or help option and follow the prompts to request a name change. The other option would be to contact customer support. All you need to do is dial Western Union support hotline, or just use their live chat feature on their website. You want to explain the issue and just provide the details, guys, okay? And then if there's any applicable fees, you just want to pay them, because some corrections may actually involve fees depending on your location and the transfer time. And you want to be prepared for that just in case. And then, guys, what you're going to do basically is once submitted, Western Union will basically process your request, right? Just keep an eye on your email or notifications for updates, because most corrections are quick, but it could also take up to a few hours, okay? And I'm going to give you an important thing to note. Basically, if the receiver has already picked up the money, unfortunately, guys, no changes can be made, okay? You want to always double check receiver details before confirming a transfer to actually avoid any complications, guys. And that's it, guys. Changing a receiver's name in Western Union can be that hassle free if you follow these steps. And now you're all set to correct that typo and get your transfer to the right person, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so I can see you guys in the next one.